Hello, hello, everyone. Hello. How is it going? How is everyone? How are you? How is it going? Give me a sec, please. Hello, hello. I hope that you're all well. Okay, Pat. Nice to see you that you joined. Pat is going for a quick scalp for a market opened. For a market open. Hello, Arundel. How are you, my friend? Tyler, nice to see you. Enduro, Yasu. Hi, my friend. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. How are you? Uh, I'm doing very well, my friends. Let's go quickly to see what we are seeing, of course, in the markets. Price, of course, yesterday broke below the New York opening gap. We are clearly bearish. Clearly bearish. This is, of course, we have two equal lows. Let me, so you don't be confused. I set up a small indicator to help us in what we were discussing privately yesterday. Whoever was part, of course, and whoever wants to learn, you must be part of TTF, of course. But let's take a look. Equal lows over here. Of course, the overall target must be drawn liquidity down here. Price is clearly bearish, creating all the time lower lows. This is an area that price broke and of course respected. This will be of course our invalidation level. This is in 1 hour breaker block over here. Price is currently also in this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Let's see if it is going to be able to break it. And let's go down to the lower time frames. As I said, order flow is bearish. We should be looking for a continuation. Also, what are we seeing over here? We are model between Asia and London. Price, of course, is below the midnight open, below Asia. In my eyes, we for sure must be bearish and be 100% patient in what we are going to see, because we are overextended currently in the market. You can all see the same thing. This doesn't mean, of course, that the markets can go down, but because the only thing that I'm thinking about is because during London we had this huge sell off. It makes me think about that we can probably see a small pullback and then a continuation. If price, of course, breaks this 1 hour fair value gap with body, this will be our invalidation level. Let's stay put and see what the markets are going to give us. I will be patient. Now let me enable my AMD sessions. This is how we are going to call it, or let's call it the logo reveal, the how can I say it, the explanation of ICT's logo. I'm very curious to see what will happen. Let's check also what the other assets are doing. Are we having any divergences, any weird things? Why is this? Let me fix this. Okay. Okay, no divergences. Dow and ES are are pushing much more harder than the other ones. Interesting stuff going around. As I said, I am bearish for sure. The only thing that I'm afraid of is we will probably have a pullback. before the market continue low. Everywhere we are below, of course, everywhere we are below Asia. Let's go back to AQ. Howdy, Luis. Nice to see you. Happy Friday, my friend. Happy Friday to you also. Pat says, done for the day and the week in the green. Amazing, Pat. Thanks for the USD CAD analysis, Alex. It worked like a charm. Thank you so much, Pat, for your kind words. I'm very happy that you were able to capitalize upon my trade idea. Whoever wants to have access to the trade ideas that me, Jay, and Bear post at least one time a week, press the link in the description, trdfloor.com. Huge efforts, a huge package that you will get for such a small price. And of course, we can't forget, you will have access to the Earn As You Learn program. A huge opportunity for many of you to be able to capitalize, especially you guys that are new in trading. It is much important for you to be able to make some profits while you are in the learning curve. I'm so proud of you, Pat. Well done. So happy for you. The only thing that I want from you, Pat, is to be a little bit more disciplined. You know what I mean. I don't want to say anything else. I believe you must be a little bit more disciplined and try to understand truly what means we keep our losses small and we keep our wins bigger. I have explained, and if you want, I can, after the stream here in YouTube, I can explain what I exactly mean. I have done a whole live stream upon what I'm telling you now. I believe it's the only remaining thing that you need. I'm so proud of you. I mean this. I'm really proud of you. Well, the markets are pushing, my friends. Pat said how was her day. Tell me about yours, guys. How was your day? Don't forget to hit the button, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, enable all notifications. It will be my pleasure, of course, to help us because it means a lot for us in our try to make TTF even bigger. Are we going to find a point today for Profit League? Let's see. Let's see. Price is pushing and they are pushing hard. They are pushing hard, my friends. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. They are probably going for the liquidity points. Also have liquidity over here. This equal lows. Huge liquidity point. Of course, we are in a sell program. But it is logical. What we are seeing over here, we all know that it is logical. Hey, hi Mary, how are you? Nice to see you here. Nice to see you, Mary. Nice to see you. How are you? How's it going? Leah, hey, how are you? Welcome, welcome, Leah. Nice to see you. How are you? How's your trading going? I'm seeing that you are nailing in Profit League. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. Keep up the hard work, Leah. You deserve it. The Arondel. I accidentally opened a 0.5 euro Australian dollar position instead of 0.05. That position stopped, so I'm a bit sad, but accident happened. I'm done for today and this week. If you remember, I had the same issue yesterday in our private live stream in TTF. If you go and check yesterday's live stream, you will see that I opened a huge position. I did 2 errors at that trade. I over leveraged, and not only that, I wasn't patient enough, and it truly, truly hated me at that point. The markets hated me at that moment. And of course, punished me because whenever we do errors, it punishes us. Whenever we are following the rules, it's with us. It's against us. It's how the markets work. When we do mistakes, we pay for them. When we are following the rules and doing everything correctly, the market again punishes. What's going on? Thanks, Alex. Hit daily drawdown today, still in the learning curve, but moving forward. Well done, Leah. I'm so happy for you, and I mean this. You really deserve it, and truly, you are a hard worker. The only thing that I believe from what I'm seeing, of course, that misses is probably the most simplified version of yourself. When we will have time, I would like to talk with you, of course, if you would like to. I'm really loving what you're doing. I think many times you just a little bit overcomplicated. Whenever you want, of course, I'm here. We can take a little chat in the mindset room. Here in DTF, my beloved friends, it's a place where we try with multiple chat rooms, multiple topics to help every trader where he can, whenever we can. Okay. Many times the problems are in other aspects of. Let me think about it better, because for sure not going to understand what I was going to say, because I was trying to translate what I want to say from Greek to English. It's wrong, of course. What I was trying to say is that we must put the time, and many times we are not able by ourselves to see what our true problem is, but many times we can't even understand, and we believe that other things are what are keeping us back. For example, I have seen multiple times traders saying that their mindset is they have problems with their mindset, but the true thing is that they don't have a true plan, and they believe that their mindset isn't good. You understand, my friends, what I mean? If you don't really have a true edge, a true plan, then, my friends, it is not your problem, is not your mindset. It will be a problem if you have a proven strategy and you're not able to execute it. Yes, then it is a mindset problem. You're not disciplined enough to follow your rules. Or, for example, if you over leverage and you want to make back your losses, this is gambling addiction. So this means that you still have other issues. Some other traders have overconfidence, another big issue. They have such a good plan, and they over leverage because they're so confident in their plan. Multiple things. Of course, we try over here in TTF to help everyone as much as we can. We are also human. This is the reality. I don't want to play God with all of you. I still have my own issues. For example, a reason that I have only small accounts, my max accounts in balance is not over $50,000, because I have a problem with big numbers. I can't, for some reason, I'm not able to see multiple 4 and 5 figures go up and down. I still have this issue. That's why I prefer to have multiple lower sized, lower balanced accounts. It is a way that I'm able to manage them better. For now, of course, I'm working upon it so I can be able to go to the next level. Understanding our true issues is one of the most important things. Of course, if we have identified the true problem that we have. Oh, Leah, me and my 5 models and several products. Yes, I know I need to simplify the system, but it makes sense to me. But there are many variables. I still reach out. Appreciate you. Of course, it will be my pleasure. You got to the point exactly what I wanted to say. I have explained. I don't remember if you were in that live stream. I explained about how we reduce our probabilities when we expand our trading pairs. But of course, if it makes sense to you and you have the data that says that you must do it, of course you do it. I'm not here to judge anyone. I don't want to believe that anyone is being judged from me. As I said, I'm not Mr. Perfect. If I was, trust me, I would be drinking wine with Warren Buffett and I won't be in my house in Greece. Okay, so I'm not here to judge anyone. I'm just trying to help based on my experience. Something that I have for sure in the markets is experience. And through my experience, I'm trying to help all of you. Jacob says, does the RIDR work on all pairs, including the crosses like odd CHF and the other crosses? Really, really rare question you are doing over there, Mr. Jacob. The true answer that I can give you is I don't know. Because I haven't personally traded out CHF. In order to see if a concept works in the certain pair that you like, you must put the work, collect the data, and of course see if it truly works. Now, if the system works exactly as I teach it here in DTF, is something different if the DRIDR edge works upon it. What do I mean? You must first put the work to see if the DR rule is true or false and how much percentage it is true and how much percentage it is false. And after that, you go and do again backtest and see if the exact system works. But to help you a little bit, for me, DR-IDR concepts work in any pair. Why? Because DR-IDR levels, excuse me, are levels that indicate us where the algo is deciding to execute the orders that it gets. We are not trying to guess. It is levels, it prints levels for us where the algo executes the orders from the order book. Okay, if this helps you, I wish I could have a better answer for you, but this is the reality. This is what I say to everyone. I can have a personal experience on NQ that I trade, on ES, on CL, on Euro USD, GBP USD. These are the majors. But wherever price is being delivered from algorithms, I believe the RIDR works. This is my opinion. Yes, Leah says, yes, if I had to choose, I would choose NG or NQ and CL, but I look as the US indices when the others are moving sideways. I like how, yes, RTU, YM and NQ and yes move in comparison to each other. Well, I know they all go, they all move the same. So either you trade NQ, either you trade ES, either you trade YM. I believe it's the exact same thing. The only difference is the points that they are moving. Am I up? Am I up? I hope that I'm up. I saw yesterday we had again in my area problems with internet, because now after I fixed the router, they decided to make works in the streets over here in my neighborhood, and they are digging all the time the cables. I hope everything is stable and we didn't have to go down. Okay, this is my opinion, Leah. Small differences between the indices. The only thing is that maybe slightly we have some differences in the statistics of DRIDR or initial balance. I know that you call it initial balance. Or the initial balance many times can be the statistics that goes with it can be a little bit more different from indice to indices. Thomas says, I believe I know your name. You are Sarik, if I remember from Discord. Hello, Alex. I have FF indicator back online on TradingView, but I forgot. Do we change the sensitivity to 5 or there is something else to change? No, we don't change anything else. Only 5. We change sensitivity to 5. Yes, exactly. Whoever, of course, wants to have access to our indicators of TTF, don't forget, hit the link in the description, trdfloor.com. Amazing, solid indicators in combination with the concepts that we teach. They can give you sniper entries. Of course, we are making our edge using concepts with indicators even more mechanical, the most mechanical that it can be. Of course, the success that we have, in my eyes, is enormous. Everyone, especially you guys that you are members in the of TTF, you can check our testimonies. You see how many profits are made every day based on these systems. Profit League is also a huge proof what TTF concepts and of course other trading strategy can do. I'm so proud in general of what you are all are doing and how much success I'm seeing around me. Pat says, a friendly reminder to have the right the right to size. Yes, I will be careful today, if of course it will give us an opportunity. As we are seeing, this will probably break this 1 hour fair value gap. We have 8 minutes until it will form. If of course we close inside, this means that we will have a 1 hour candle with a huge wick that for me means a huge reversal. So I won't lie to you guys, if this happens and again these candles close inside the 1 hour fair value gap, I'm going to search for longs. And I can prove what I'm saying to all of you. I will change this candle and make it a 1 hour time frame. A 1 hour time frame. And look what exactly I'm saying to you. Let's expand. This is how the 1 hour candle looks. If it goes inside again, I will search for longs. Sometimes they are not in sync and move differently, and sometimes they are totally in sync. Well, the most usual thing, they must be in sync. That's why whole trading strategies are based on the desynchronization of them via the SMT divergence etc. Trust me, the usual is them to be in sync because the way they are structured, most of the companies are also part of all indices. So this means that we must have slight small differences. Okay. At least this is what I believe and what I have seen. Yes, many times you can see one index can push harder than the other one. This doesn't mean that when Dow Jones is bearish, why NQ is bearish also, and S&P not in 1 minute candle or a 5 minute candle, but most of the time they are in sync. When they are desynced, it means that we will probably have some reversal happening. 5 minutes more, I can't wait to see if it's going to close inside, of course, the fair value gap. Sometimes, okay, sorry, I read that. Thomas says, yes, I am Sarik. Okay, from Discord. Thank you so much. How was your trading this week? I had an amazing week. My strategy provides 5.5% to me in this week. I'm also performing very, very well, my friend, this month. From the beginning of this month, I don't know, something has clicked, and I believe that we are going to have a really good month this month. It's going to be very, very good. I'm already 2% up in most of my accounts because, as I have said, I have multiple accounts. I trade them in sequence. How can I say it? In sequence. I trade them roundly, so I can never if so I can manage my accounts and don't have and lose them all if I don't have a good month. Because I'm trying to manipulate the system of profits. That's why I'm doing it. PTLY, hey Alex, is your DeLorean indicator working? I don't have access to it for some reason. You should have seen my beloved friend PT. We have made an announcement. There has been an error in the automation system that TTF uses to give access to everyone for their indicators. Until they gave access in the first 1,000 people because it has a limit. Of course, they until Sunday everything will be settled down. That's why you don't have access. You are probably from the unlucky ones that wasn't in the first 1,000. Quickly, although, it will be restored. It's not a problem from you, my friend Pity. I also hope it too. I wish that we will have a very good month. I mean this because with all of this going around, it has been a rough month for all of us. Many systems didn't work. Many things weren't going as we planned. But this is trading, my beloved friends. This is trading, and I mean this. There's no such thing as winning all the time. Trading, unfortunately, is like all of the businesses. We don't work 12 months a year. Some months we don't go. Some months we don't go good. We don't go well. Whoever has a business understand exactly what I mean. What I mean. Price has returned. Look how the 1 hour candle looks like. If we break over here, we are going to have a 5 minute inverted fair value gap. If it breaks above, for now it is a bearish fair value gap, of course. And as I said, if this happens, I'm interested in longs towards the Asian DR. You're welcome, my friends. You're welcome. Let's see what we are going to see. Don't forget, my beloved friends, everything that we are saying over here is my personal experience only. It's my personal opinion only and is for educational purposes. Any trading decisions that anyone is going to make are exclusively on their responsibility, my friends. Let's check also DeLorean. Okay. Look how we are rejecting from it. Let's see 30 seconds if it's going to close above or beneath so we can make our trading decision and how we are going to play. If of course we see that price is rejecting, we can take a really nice continuation from here. Despite the fact that the markets are overextended, we are take. Okay, did we have news? Did we have news? No. Weird things. Price held indeed. Look how the price holds. If I go to the 1 hour, you will see price held over here. The 1 hour. Now I would like to see, of course, the break of this fair value gap so we can be able to try and take a long. Now that we decided that, look what price is doing. It's going lower without us. Let's go down to the one. Let me make this again the daily. The daily. This, of course, is a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Let me mark it so you don't be confused. 10 o'clock, the shock hour, the shock. Why does anyone know? Why? I know, of course, but I want to see if you know why the 10 a.m. New York time candle is always so important. Do I need to change my DR time when US changes to daylight savings time? We always have our DR timings in New York time. If you are using the SMC toolkit from, or if you are part of TTF and you have your DR either via SMC toolkit or via Fractal Frenzy, you, my friend, must always have enabled the midnight check, then the midnight box, the New York time box. Why? Because always it will print based on New York time. All the data that go with DRIDR are in New York time. That's why we use always New York time and not our personal time zones. Okay, and of course, the most important, the algo doesn't understand UTC plus 4, plus 5. It doesn't understand that. It only recognizes New York time. And of course, the most important, that all the data are collected on New York time. That's why before 2 weeks, where in Europe we had the power saving changes, we kept our settings to New York time. And now that New York, of course, went also 1 hour back, all over the planet, we went again on normal. Sarik says, yes, October were rough for me. I lost one challenge account, so I take a step back and went back to demo account trading. Well, that's not a problem, my friend Sarik. I also lost 6 accounts. I'm also very poor on accounts now, trying to get them back. If we choose, my friend, this road, we must always pay the fee. That's why I advise And my advice from now on will be always all the traders to, if they want to trade prop firms, to have for sure a journal so they can keep on track their true results and not based on a prop firm account. Because now, if I didn't know that I can make it happen, I would believe that I lost 6 accounts, that I'm not a good trader. No. Overall, in the last quarters, I have making money until this year. Because I lost 6 accounts doesn't make me a bad trader. Or if I lost a prop firm challenge doesn't make me a bad trader. My overall results will tell me if I'm a good trader or not a dashboard from a prop firm. But my Google Sheet or my automated journaling system will tell me if I'm a good trader or not. Okay? If I'm truly profitable. Atanasov, hello my friend, how are you? Nice to see you. There is a Michigan consumer sentiment released. Yeah, okay. And to answer why the 10 a.m. candle is very, very important, it's because it's a beginning of a new 4-hour candle. That's why. That's why it is very, very important, because 10 a.m. New York time opens a new candle. This was a nice continuation, guys. This is the truth. We can maybe take this continuation. What do you think? Should we take it or not? Are we going to make a critical error over here or not? Whoa, 110 points. What is going on with volume? What is going on with volume? Hello, Montoya. How to have that additional candle on the charts? Give me a sec, please. I must take a trade. Sorry. I will get back with you in a minute. I have 30 seconds. It is an indicator, my friend, the higher time frame power of 3 from 2 degrees. It forms the daily candle. I have set it from the true day open, that is New York midnight. Yes, Pat, trend shows to be heavily bearish. That's why I'm going to take a trade. I took it. Wish me good luck. Wish me good luck. Okay. Yes, that's true. Thank you for your wise words. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. I mean this, my friend, because my friend Sarik, I had the same problem for for a long time. I had this problem because I was letting the prop firm space take me over. No, I'm not a good trader if I'm making, if I'm able to pass a prop firm account. Because passing a prop firm account, or for example, not being able, especially if I'm trading a CFT account and I'm not able to make a payout, it's logical. Because in order to pass that CFD account, I have done 15%, 13 from 15, 13 to 15%. And based on the probabilities sequence, it is logical my hot strike to not continue. So if I give back 10% and lose the funded account, it is logical, but overall I have made 3 to 5% in 2 months. I am still a good trader. And I mean this. I am still good. I still am a good trader. I was able to make 5% in 2 or 3 months. I'm profitable. But I did the same mistake that everyone of us does. I lost the account, or I passed a challenge and I wasn't able to make a payout and I lost the account. And I felt like, you know how I felt like. And I thought that I am not, of course, a good trader because of that. It's wrong. It's wrong, my friends. Okay. Look what price is doing to us. It completely reversed upon us. We are going to take our loss. Okay. In 2 minutes, we lost. It is what it is. We can't do anything about it. I didn't check, although the other two. Look what I was saying. Why it was a mistake? Because look, NQ created here a lower low. ES created a lower low, but Dow Jones created a higher high, and this is an SMT divergence. Price is going up. This was an SMT divergence. I wasn't careful enough. This is what I mean. It can be a huge indication of reverse. It can be a huge indication. And also, I won't lie to you guys. I forgot what I had said previously, and I should have waited patiently for a long. Why? Because I said if we will have a reversal over here and candle will close inside, I would search for longs. But I took a short. Why didn't you help me and remind me what I just said? But it hears like I'm a Suda Wuda Kuda guy making to be an after things happen prophet. I should have done this because I said that, but what did I do at the end of the day? I took a short. I was saying all of this, but I said that price is very heavy and I took a short. Wrong. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Okay. Let's go back to the 5 minute. It completely destroyed us over there. Completely. Yes, price is probably going to reverse. If it prints a long, I'm going to take it, my friends. And waste up my and I'm going to take longs if it prints a long signal. Don't feel bad. I lost my short too, says my friend Ken. I know, my friend. I know the system and the market makers fooled us over here. Whoever wants to have access, of course, to these indicators, link in the description, trdfloor.com. With the indicators, you also take a huge package of supportive community, 24-hour. Of course, the Earn As You Learn program, the amazing Earn As You Learn program that has done the results are outstanding. No one can believe, only if you can come and see the true results, you will truly believe what is going on the Earn As You Learn program. And I mean this. Everything is posted, everything is transparent. You can find the results in my effect on my FX book. whoever wants to be that doesn't believe that it has these results. The only thing that you have to do is, of course, to go through a small course that you are able to understand how the system works, and then you will be able to have access to the trade ideas. And we expand these trade ideas even more. Me, Bear, Jay, making analysis upon all of them. And what do? We help you guys for these systems to be also applicable on prop firms, or if you can't handle so much the drawdown, we help you to get even more sniper entries, especially for you guys that you are trading prop firms and you want to apply it on prop firms. I won't lie to you, Ken. I'm quite pissed off because I saw what was happening and I understood what was going to happen. When I saw the rejection of this 1 hour, I was sure that market will go up. Sometimes, although I can be wrong, of course. Mostly in trading, we are wrong, my friends. Don't believe that anyone is all the time right. We also can be wrong. Yes, I'm going to take this trade for sure. And I'm going to spare, of course, as I said previously, my second bullet upon this. I believe it is worth it. And of course, if I take this loss, I'm going to stop for the day and we're going to discuss until the end of this live stream. Okay. This is a mitigation block. I would like, of course, wrong. I would like price to break this too. This now is a 1 minute supply. If, of course, it breaks, it will be a really nice opportunity for us to capitalize upon. If, of course, it decides to break it, yes. Rejecting again. Whoa. Let's check what the other indices are doing. Equal highs over here, higher high, higher high. Okay. Higher high, higher high. Equal. It's not a divergence. It's not a divergence. Let's see what the markets have for us. Does it have surprises? What does it have? What does it have? Weird open, to be honest. I couldn't believe that this bullish fair value gap would be such a key factor for today's markets. But it is. We identified it quickly. Unfortunately, we made a bad decision over there, unfortunately. And it stopped us in exactly 2 candles. Exactly 2 candles. What a pity. And this is a very nice ICT entry. Price, of course, has taken sell side from here. What we are seeing, a market structure shift over here, and it is a perfect 2022 model. A perfect 2022 model. What is your opinion, ICT traders? What do you believe? Is this a really nice 2022 model? Does it fills all the criteria? All the criterias? Our ICT traders. Get ready. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay. What is gold doing? I didn't check it today at all. What did I mark over here? Okay. Consolidation, my beloved. Look, we love consolidation. Look what price is doing. A total nothing. A total nothing, my friends. Euro USD. Whoa. Exploding. Exploding. Whoever, this is a clue what we saw yesterday, my friends. A small gem for the public. What we said all together in our private live stream yesterday. A hidden gem. How we are able to try to predict what will happen. All our tools, what we do. Okay, I believe it's going to explode now. We have quite room for the Asian DR. As I said, of course, this is not a trade based on exactly the DR concepts. It's mostly based on what my understandings and, of course, the 1 hour order flow. As I said, if it's going to bring a fractal frenzy, I'm going to take a trade. I forgot to check any J zones. Okay. These J zones concern me, I won't lie to you. But it is what it is. We will take our chances. How was your trading, my friend, so far? Can you tell me? How was your trading? Whoever, of course, is member of TTF can go and check what I said on Euro USD yesterday in my private live stream to see how we predicted what will happen. And whoever, of course, wants to see what we say in our private live streams, link in the description, trdfloor.com, a plethora of videos, a plethora of concepts, unlimited hours of education, basics, intermediate concepts, strategies, so many strategies for all kind of traders and personalities, all in one click. All in one click. Okay, price is pushing hard, protecting us over here. Look, price never broke the supply, as I said, and of course never broke this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. But I'm still believing that price wants to go up. No SMT. Higher high, higher high, equal highs. Let's see. Price went exactly at the equilibrium, forming, of course, the 2022 model completely. Why? Because over here we have also aligned with a bullish fair value gap. I love with this when these examples happen in front of our eyes, because look how many things we can combine all together, and how can you use an indicator to help you, of course, make an even more mechanic entry. What do I mean? We are seeing in front of us the 2022 model, but now that price is not printing us a, a, a signal towards our bias, towards where we expect price to go, it saves us. And if we had put a limit order, we will be already in drawdown, or we will try to be, or it can go to our stop loss. Mechanical entries can help us many times do miracles and increase our win rate even more higher, and make our win rate even more higher. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I like that price is reacting. Okay. Push. Push, please. We have to make our money back. Let me check how many points of stop loss I had previously. Whoa. Whoa. So much volatility with 3 micros, and I had a $480 loss with 3 micros, because we had a 77 point stop loss. It will be the same now. Or we are going to demolish the account and make it hit very strong, or we are going to make back. One, of course, profit target can be this equal highs over here, almost equal highs. This is one buy side. Of course, we have multiple buy sides, but of course, I'm not going to go so high for the Asia. I prefer to take profits somewhere over here. Patiently waiting. The supply, this bearish order block is again doing its job, creating resistance for price. Tell me, my friends, how are you going so far? How is your day so far? From a few of you, I know. What are the others doing? How are the others going? Tell me. Oh, come on. Don't make our lives so miserable. Help us. Do something at least. Why is price every time that I'm deciding to live trade doesn't do anything? Why is this? Get out, wherever you are. I can't remember the rest of the song. They have passed so many years when I was singing this song when I was a small kid. Get out wherever you are. Uh, dun, 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 dun. Don't forget, my beloved friends, Profit League is, of course, in process. Is has begun. First week is today that is going to complete. Don't forget trdfloor.com, link in the description. Please, whoever is liking what we are doing over here, enjoying what we are doing, hit the like button, press the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and of course, enable all notifications. trdfloor.com, a community where you can get where you can have the whole package of trading, from trading strategies, from trade ideas, from indicators, a whole package for such a for such a small price. Pop goes the weasel. Pop goes the weasel. Get out wherever you are. Pop goes the weasel. Goes the weasel. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. What is price going to do? Let's see. Come on, Mr. ICT. We are seeing your model playing out in front of us. Why don't you make price go up, please? Please help us in this situation. Why are you doing this to us? Deeper in the fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to react strongly from here. Let's see. DR has officially formed. It's 10:30. We have an indication, of course, the opening price is above the closing prices over here. This means that the box is red. We have probabilities that price will continue lower, but let's see. It is an indication. Don't forget, my friends, these concepts are indications that things can happen. They're not facts. They are not facts. As I'm seeing, I will not be able to earn a point today. From what I'm seeing, at least for now. I'm too late. I'm too late. Oh, Christy posted the point. When did she manage to do that? She's so quick. Why wasn't I able to post? Where did she take a trade? Now I saw her post. Oh, come on. Whoa. She was quick over there. She was very quick over there. Okay, we had the print towards the downside. Is this a trap? And the DR will be right, and we have probabilities to go down. And the RIDR is true and ICT isn't. Very curious to see what will happen. Are you curious, my friends? Are you curious? Oh, can't see this playing in front of me, my eyes. Please make it go away. I can't handle to look at it. I can't look at it, what it's doing. I can't look. So Hard for me. Don't do this to me. And everything happened the moment that I told you about the probabilities of the box. Weird. Do you believe? Do you believe it is weird? What is your opinion, my friends? Let's see. Okay, I don't like that it broke this fair value gap. I believe that DR will be right. And based on the box, the probabilities are going to play out and we're going to have a short confirmation. Now we are going to regret that we didn't use a huge, much more bigger stop loss. That's why when this kind of situation happens, we must always accept our decisions and don't create doubts to us, to our doubt to our thought process. It was a mistake from the beginning because I was trying to see, I was seeing something else playing out. I eventually decided something wrong, and I saw the concept of DR playing out over here, that it is a very big statistic when, for example, based on the opening price, the opening price concept. I have done also a video in for the TTF members where I talk about that it is an early indication towards where we are going to have a confirmation. Of course, the probabilities are much more less when we have a true confirmation, but it is a confirmation also. Of course, I am a believer that price probably will go down after a multiple rejection of this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. 6 candles rejected that level. Price returned to the entry candle over here. Okay, what should we do now? What do you believe we should do? Vote. I will do whatever you tell me. And I mean this. I will risk my point for you guys. Tell me, should I take the short or not? What do you believe? Should I believe the DR probabilities? Should I trust it? I will do whatever you say. And if you like the voting before taking a trade, I will do a competition the other day with prizes. Hold, says my friend Ken. Okay, I'm holding, my friend. I took a short, says Ashley. Whoa. I like it. I like it. I won't lie to you. I like it. 50-50. 50-50. The decisions are 50-50 for now. Also took a short entry 24952.5. Let's go, guys. I hope it plays out. 952. Okay, really nice trade. Okay. I took the short based on the 5-minute happy trail signal. Okay. Oh, you are looking at you're looking at CFDs. Am I correct, Ashley? Not the futures. Oh, sorry for that. You know, I'm a little bit tired. I always wake up very early in the morning. I like to wake up early in the morning. My daily routine is I always, when I wake up, check what, after, of course, I wake up, drink a little bit of my coffee. I wait at least 30 minutes after, of course, I wake up. And after half an hour, I open my charts, take a look what happened over my sleep time, make a few plans what I'm expecting to see, go a little bit at Discord. After that, I go to the gym. After the gym, I directly go back. I go to my restaurant, my fast food. I go to my fast food and I come back for the market open. This is my daily schedule. Ken says I will go short on my 5-minute Heikenasi candle open with flat top. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Heikenasi. Can't remember the last time I used Heikenasi. Okay. Hard indication that price is going. Let me fix the colors because it's like they are ill. It looks like they are ill. No difference. Let's make it a little more different. Better, I believe. Okay. I will fix it another time. We are going to have a confirmation also. We need 4 minutes to, of course, for sure, be 100% sure that it is going to have a confirmation. I'm short, says, of course, Mr. Ken. Now, my friend Ken, I will wait, unfortunately, because I need to see the confirmation of DR. And I believe in 15 minutes this will also be it will also be an inverted fair value gap. Let's see what's going to play out. My friends, don't forget, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, my beloved friends. Enable all notifications. It helps us really, really, really. It's really important for us. It helps us a lot in our try to make TTF even more bigger than it already is, of course. Huge stuff going around. Profit League has an amazing success until now. I am seeing members enjoying the whole competition. We do these kind of competitions all the time here at TTF. Of course, you cannot forget the whole package that everyone gets, the Earn As You Learn program, weekly private live streams, of course, tons of education, tons of strategies, tons of concepts, all in one place, my beloved friends. Everything in one place. And we can't forget the most supportive Discord community ever. Sorry, give me a sec. Okay. Give me a sec, please. Okay. 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Let's see. We are probably going to have a confirmation. This is what we are seeing. Let's go for one more basic trading plan. At the end of the day, we were unlucky over here. This is the reality of what was going on. We were unlucky. It was a good decision after, of course, we saw price play out in front of us that we took a shot. Shoulda, woulda, coulda effect. But we were on, and we have a confirmation officially. I wish we will have a quick pullback over here so we can be valid for, of course, a trade. We want to see price pulling back now. Waiting still in the 5 minutes, wait for the pullback. Price is really, really melting, my friends. Melting. I don't want to make you all afraid, but I'm going to make publicly a small prediction. Push it for our friend Ken. Push it, please. Make it go lower, please. Because this week has begun, of course, because this week has begun with a reversal, and from bullish we have transformed to bearish. Next week, we are going to have a consolidation, my friends, based on the quarterly theory, and of course, time is always runs and goes based on times, because we are seeing this first week of November price continuing. This means based on the XAMD, next week will probably be a consolidation week. Of course, it will be very interesting if we are going to accumulate. We will be able to capitalize in small moves, and when we mean it's going to accumulate, it doesn't mean that there will not be any trading opportunities, but it will for sure have small ranges that we will be able to capitalize upon. Okay, please pull back a little bit. Oh, no, for my friend Ken, go down. He needs to recover his point. Please go down. Okay, I have my pullback. Let's see. I'm sure it's going to melt, my friend, now, Ken. Look how it's going to melt. Just for you, mate. It's going to melt. I'm sure. It's going to melt. Repeat. Repeat, please. For my friend Ken. Repeat. He's making us all proud because Ken, one of the staff of TTF, has a flawless week. Every day he has made profits, my beloved friends. Every day, since day one, he has been making profits. TP at 6678. 6678.2077. Oh, come on. Really? You were unlucky, my friend, over there. Here is Ken's TP. Repeat. Go down. Go down, please. Yeah, it's unbelievable. It really pisses me off when this happens. I won't lie to you, but we must control our emotions. I know it can be hard, especially when it leaks your take profit and goes back, but my friend Ken, it is the only way. Oh, come on. Let's go back to MNQ. Let me put this over here so we can, of course, don't forget to post. Okay, I don't like this. Why is this happening? Are we having an SMT? Ah, no. Okay. Let's hope that the SMT is not going to play out. Because I'm seeing an SMT over here. I hope it doesn't play out. Okay. So close, mate. But I'm sure because we also have a confirmation. Weird, it hit my TP on my Top Step account. Don't, it's not weird. Top Step X, in general, Project X has a little bit more bigger spreads. Thank God it hit your TP on Top Step X. You are lucky in this situation. Don't try to search it for a lot. It's better that you were able to profit. It's much more better than searching for the for the loss. So well done, our friend Ken. Well done, well done. Ken hit TP. Spreads helped him in this situation. Yes, the only thing I can say that it's negative on Project X is sometimes their spreads are quite big. This is the reality. Okay, let's see. Are we going to have a basic trading plan? Yes, Pat. Ken is nailing it, my friends. Nailing it, truly. Flawless week for Mr. Ken. Our trading grandpa is teaching all of us the new guys how the game is played. Well done, Ken. Ah, okay. Still waiting for this to hit TP on Apex and Purdia. Okay, okay, okay. I see. Can't you check how much spreads you have on Top Step X? Because it must be at least 3 ticks. It must be at least 3 ticks, or you put a different price. Okay, our opportunity. Let's calculate a little bit things. If we're going to have a print, 54 points. Okay. Okay. It's not going to print. Okay. Let's check Ken's trade. Just when I think uh, it's going to pull back, lol. Well, I can't believe that's going to to pull back. I believe it's not going to pull back, Ken. It's like price has lost its steam, to be honest. The only thing that concerns me is the SMT that's playing out. I hope we are not going to have any weird stuff. And for the ICT lovers, this is a sequential SMT. So I hope it's not so strong and price will do what it has to do. Oh, the magnet used Technologia. No, the last times that we used Technologia, things didn't go so well. I'm afraid that I'm going to ruin Ken's trade. I will put it on NQ. I will put Technologia on NQ. Not on yes. Technologia was not playing out the last time. Superstitions. Oh, yeah. How do they call them when you believe in the black cats and yeah, superstitions, I believe. If I can't remember the exact word. Let's check Ken's trade. Hold on there, my friend. It's going to melt now. I'm seeing it. It's talking to me. It's melting. Repeat. Push. Push it, price. Push. Come on. Let's see if it's going to help us too. Okay, NQ is heavy. It's going to take also yes with it. I'm sure. Okay, let's go. Trade number 2. Let's go. I'm putting Technologia. Let's see if Technologia is going to help today. I hope so. Yes, TP. Well done, mate. Well done, Mr. Ken. You are amazing, mate. Well done. Well done, my friend. Well done. As I said, Ken is in the top places of leaderboard. He has, of course, posted profits every day, having a flawless week for now until now. He is doing amazing. He has an amazing start on Profit League. Well done. Well done, my friend. Well done. Pat says, I have to step out. Good luck. I'll check your post on Discord. Well done to everyone this week. Well done. You are all nailing it. Congratulations to you also, Pat. I'm so happy that you had a green week also. Well done. Well done. You are amazing, kid. Congratulations, my friend. It's not only that you are posting every day profits. You really, really deserve what is going on in your trading this current period. And I mean this, I'm so proud of you. You have worked so hard all this time. We are all so proud of you, and I mean this. We are all so proud of you. Okay, let's help Mr. Alex too now. Please help me too. I need your help. Come on, Technologia. Is technology going to help today? Let's also mark our standard deviation levels to... Please, my friends, give me a sec. I must answer my phone, please. Sorry. Sorry for that, my friends. It was my wife. It was my wife. Let's fix technology over here. Oh, what? What happened? What happened? No, come on. Come back. Where are you going, Price? Technology is not helping us again. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. No points for me today. What's going to happen? Let's see. No points, probably. No points. TP for Ashley. Yes. Oh no. At 24,805. She's in CFDs. Let's go, Ashley. I hope it hits your TP. Let's go. Let's go, mate. It's, of course, when I put Technologia, it's reversed on me. I know this is my faith. If today I lose again, I'm never going to use this Technologia. On Top Step. Yeah, okay, it's the same price. Futures also. 824, 807. Ashley's TP. Ashley. No, Ashley. Ashley's TP. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Melt. Go to her TP, please. Pitley says, I was so close to P 24, 8, 1975. Oh, no, mate. Really? Come on. It didn't take or take profit exactly at that candle. What is going on today? We have two ticks spreads, 2 to 1 tick on trade of 8, as I'm seeing all the time. Look up here. It says your spreads. The broker that we are using is trade of 8. We have 2 ticks spread. Okay, Melt, please. We have 2 members over here that must take their profits. Come on. What are you doing, Price? What are you doing? Okay, Melt now. Okay. Technologia. Come on. Come on. And push it real good. Come on. Technologia. Technologia. Come on. Oh, I know, lol, but stop loss is at break even. Yes, okay, that's for sure. It is what it is, and the most important is that you don't have risk on the table. So important also. It is either you're going to make more profits or you're just not going to lose money. So important also. The protection of our capital is one. It is also very very important, and I mean this. Might reject from the 0.5 standard deviation. I didn't. I went to do it, but I didn't. Okay. Okay. It's going, yes, mate. Take profit for you. Congratulations, PT. Congratulations, PT. Congratulations, my friend. Take profit for our friend. Well done. Your guys are nailing it. Well done. That was a shock candle. Amazing. Amazing. Well done. Amazing. Our friend hit TP and reversed. What are you, my friend? Are you an institution? And they took your liquidity and left. You liquidated everyone over here and reversed. What are you doing over here? I'm joking, of course. Yes, I'm joking, of course. Well done, my friend. Well done. You really nailed it. We are so happy for you. We are so happy. Come on now for Ashley's TP. Ashley's turn now for TP. But here 0.5 standard deviation is making our lives harder. Come on. What can probabilities be in our life? What is doing to us? Look, it's playing with us. Probabilities are playing with us. We need you, price, to go to the next most high probability, and that is 1 standard deviation. I know 80% is much more important than the small 60, but it is probabilities that it's going to go. Come on. Make our day. We must all enjoy our weekend. Come on, Ashley's TP. Round the corner. It's going to melt. It's going to melt. I'm seeing it. I'm feeling it. Push. Rip it. Come on. Come on. Come on, price. Nah. And yes. Okay. Please push. Please. Please, 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 please. Please, please, please. Come on. We must also win. I need to post a win today. What are you doing, price? Come on. Yeah, I also need to post a win. What are you doing? Ashley, this one is stressing me out. I just jumped into my kid's Halloween candy. Okay. Well, it can be stressful, I know. If you have risk on the table, I would have taken it off. But you see, everything is based on momentum and probabilities. Either you trust and don't stare at it like we are doing, because now it's making it harder. You understand what I mean? Looking all the time at the screen makes it even more hard. Oh, it's been break even for a while. I'm very happy for you. Well, no risk at the moment, I believe. It's going to your take profit. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Go. 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 Push it. And push it real good. Okay. You must do it. You must do it for us. I must mark also my break-even level. I forgot to do it. Yes, come on. Go for us, for Ashley's TP. Congratulations for all the wins this morning. TTF team is nailing it. I mean it. We are doing amazing things. Come on. Don't do this to my friend. Don't do this to my friend Ashley. Come on. Come on, technology. Come on. Come on, look. Big magnet over here. Come on. Look, look, look. Come on. Big force. Come on. Be the force be with me. What are you doing? Yes. Repeat. Repeat, please. Please repeat. Can you please repeat? Yes, go down, please. Yes, please, go down. Yes, yes. Please go down. It better hit the TP soon, or my kids may be devastated to come home to empty candy bar. It's going to hit. I'm seeing it's coming. It's coming. For her kids. Sweets. They must be saved from Ashley. Did it hit? $28.07. Yes. Come on. What are you doing? 807. And yes. Yes, yes, yes. TP for Ashley too. Yeah. You nailed it. Well done. Well done, Ashley. Well done. I'm so happy for you. Well done. You nailed it. Now we must nail it too. Okay, pray for me now, please. Pray for me, guys, now. I must also post a point. Okay, repeat. Yes, go down. Now let's go. Yes, Ken. It's ripping. Come on. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations to everyone. Well done. We are nailing it. Now yours has to hit TP and we can all enjoy a beautiful weekend. Yes, I agree. I agree. Yeah, it's ripping it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Price. You can do it, I'm sure for you. I know that you can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. Come on. Look, Technologia, look. You must help me now. Technologia must help me too. Perfect. Come on. Break even. Yes, I will put it to break even. Okay, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. You must push. One more final push we need from you. 30 points. 30 points more. 5-minute NQ Hekenasi candle strong. Yes, that's what we want. Strong. Strong candles. Even if I'm not going to post a point, I'm so happy for all of you, and I mean this. This competition is for everyone, and I'm so happy that everyone is managing to make profits, and I mean this. And I mean this. I'm so happy for everyone. It's not a competition for me to prove that I'm an amazing trader. I'm happy seeing that what we are doing all this time all together is playing out. And I mean this. I mean this, my friends. I mean this. Okay, go down, please. Stay positive. It's going to hit. Oh, yes, of course I'm positive, my friend. I know. I'm sure. We have technology today and it's helping us. We are having technology and it is helping us. Look, I can't leave Miss Christie to pass me again. She's she's already one day in front of me. I must find my winner. I must now look. My break even is a resistance for is a support for price. Sometimes how random lines can be so amazing. It's like it is laughing for us. I mean this. It's playing with us. A simple random line in our chart. It's creating support for price. Repeat. Come on. I'm in a diet and I'm going to eat chocolate from my anxiety. From my anxiety. Here in Greece, we don't have Halloween, so we don't have any candy in the house. I must find some candy. No Coke, no coffee, no sweet. What what am I doing over here? Okay, it's pushing. Come on, overcome the support, please. Please rip it. Rip the support of my break even. I'm going to erase the line. Let's erase also Ashley's TP. NQ 5-minute Hekenasi still looking great. Okay. I love it. I love it. Let's go. Let's go, Hakenasi. I love you too. I love the Hakenasi and candles too. I hope they love me too. I hope they love me. Come on. Push it, please. Please. I love you, charts. I know that you love me too. But my friends, look at the basic trading plan one more time. I don't want to play God. These live streams are a huge opportunity for everyone to see what we are doing truly works. I don't care if it goes break even, and I mean this. Everything that we have done are based on our plan, step by step. And of course, don't forget, whoever wants to learn even more details upon the plan and is not member of TTF, link in the description, trdfloor.com. It will be our pleasure to see you in our community and be able to do so mechanical things as we do every day. And we prove it to all of you live. No fake things, only transparency in front of you. Everything we do in TTF is 2000% transparent. Everything. And I mean this. No mambo jumbo, no fake promises, nothing. Everything is to the tick transparent. So, whoever wants to be part of the most transparent community in the trading space, don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Okay, now push, please. No, up, go down, please. I mean, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. Go down, please. A bad scenario would be, of course, price to break this fair value gap. It's not a very good thing to happen, but if it happens, we are just going to see price going towards our break even. I won't lie to you, because of the competition, I will probably search for another trade. Well, over here, my friend, I was in profit. My loss was about $480, my friend Ken, and over here I was $30 in profit down here. But of course, we can't do anything about it. I mean this. Yeah, yeah, because we took a full loss before, and because of the volatility with three contracts, it was almost $500 loss. I took three micros in the previous trade. This is not a very good, of course, thing that price broke this fair value gap. It will probably reverse to my stop to my break even. So as price is hitting my break even, it is time for me to wrap it up. I will probably try to search for another trade so I can be able to post a point. Or if I'm not able, I will not post. I'm so happy for everyone, and I mean this. I'm so happy. Let's go, my friends. Keep nailing it. Have a nice weekend. Of course, price went to my break even. Keep on the good work. I'm so proud of all of you. I really enjoyed today's live stream. See you next time, my friends. Probably on next Tuesday, we will go publicly again on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining. It was my pleasure, my honor. Congratulations to everyone that was able to make profits today. Have a nice weekend, my friends. Don't forget, my friends, to create precious moments with the ones you love. Because life is short, we must always take advantage of each day. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. Bye, my friends. Bye. Thank you so much.